What happens when a CIA master of disguise and a little boy who's missing an ear come together? The answer is life-changing magic. Paul Boyd has the story of a little boy now smiling brightly thanks to a little CIA sleight of hand.
Little Gage Chenard is a rambunctious 7-year-old. Typical in every way except for one. He was born without a left ear. It's a condition known as microtia, and it affects 1 in 10,000 American children born each year.
You want everything for your kids, and you want to spare them any pain that you can.
Gage's mom, Jennifer, has searched long and hard for an answer to Gage's problem.
I just want him to be happy and just to feel just like a normal kid.
His one big wish is simply to wear sunglasses.
Just look what happens.
But help is on the way from a most unexpected place, the CIA, and a remarkable man named Bob Barron. He worked for years as a master of disguise for the spy agency. Now he uses his skills to give new hope to kids like Gage.
This job is the best job, I think, that anybody could have.
When Gage first went to Bob Barron's office, he met a boy just like him, 9-year-old Austin from Florida, who's also missing an ear. Austin was having a new ear fitted that day. His mom, Gloria, can't hold back the tears.
So handsome.
Then it was Gage's turn. First, Bob takes precise impressions of his good ear and of his deformed ear.
The whole process is just so amazing.
He'll use the impressions to make a new silicone ear for Gage. 3 weeks later, the new ear is ready.
He's putting an ear right here.
It's tinted to match Gage's skin, and then with a special adhesive, fitted into place.
Wow. Wow.
Gage is thrilled with his new look.
Okay.
I never thought I'd see the day. It's just amazing. It's amazing, thank you.
You're welcome.
At last, Gage can wear sunglasses and face the world with a smile that runs from ear to ear.
Now that he's wearing shades, Gage wants to be a rock star.